Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Patke and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to analyze the 7th game of the Tata IPL, which took place at the MH Chidambaram Stadium between Gujarat Titans and Lucknow. I beg your pardon, between Gujarat Titans and Lucknow Super Giants, and it was a game which comprehensively won by CSK by 63 runs. Man of the match was Shivam Dube for his tremendous hitting, 51 of just 23 deliveries. The toss was won by Gujarat Titans and chose to bowl first, but that decision backfired. I didn't know what was the logic in that decision. CSK piled up 206 for 6 in 20 overs. Ruturaj Gaikwad, 46 of 36 deliveries. I think his strike rate could be a little bit better. 5 boundaries, 1 massive 6. His wicket was taken by Spencer Johnson with Saha taking a simple catch. Rachin Ravindra provided magnificent fireworks. 46 of just 20 deliveries, 3 massive sixes along with 4 boundaries at a great strike rate of 230. Rashid Khan eventually took his wicket with simple stumping for Saha. Rahane had a red off day, 12 of 12 deliveries with Sai Kishore taking his wicket, Saha doing the stumping. Shivam Dube, as I said, 51 of 23, 5 massive sixes, 2 fours. Excellent hitting. He reminds you of Yuvraj Singh. 221 strike rate. His wicket was taken by Rashid Khan with Vijay Shankar taking a simple catch. Mitchell scored 24 of 20 deliveries. Lackluster innings, just a couple of boundaries. He was not out. Samir Rizvi, 14 of 6 deliveries, who was paid more than 8 CR by CSK. Mohit Sharma taking his wicket with David Miller taking a simple catch in the deep. And Jadeja, 7 of 3 deliveries, 1 boundary. He was run out by Vijay Shankar in the last over. 6 extras were considered. Omar Zai, 3 overs, 30 runs, no wicket, bowled awfully. Umesh Yadav was also taken to the cleaners by Rachin Ravindra in particular, 2 overs, 27 runs. Rashid Khan picked up 2 wickets, but he gave away 49 runs, which is a pretty much rare occurrence. Sai Kishore, 3 overs, 28 runs, 1 wicket, decent figures. Spencer Johnson was a bit expensive, 4 overs, 35 runs, 1 wicket. Mohit Sharma in 4 overs gave away 36 runs, 1 wicket. The kind of bar and the standards that he set, he was pretty expensive by his own standards. Chasing a target of 207, the back of Gujarat Titans were almost up against the wall. 21 of 17 deliveries for Saha. Although he hit 4 boundaries, his strike rate could have been a lot better. His wicket was taken by Chahar with Deshpande taking a simple catch. Shubman Gill was found plumb in front by Deepak Chahar, 8 of 5 deliveries. Sudarshan, 37 of 31 deliveries, pretty uninspiring and a tepid innings, just 3 boundaries. Pathirana accounted for his dismissal with Samir Rizvi taking a simple catch. David Miller, 21 of 16, just 3 deliveries. He will be pretty disappointed by the nature of the dismissal. Deshpande taking the wicket with I think I beg your pardon, Rahane taking the catch. Omar Zai, just 11 of 10 deliveries. He had a day to forget. He bowled awfully as well. Couldn't muster much magic with the bat. Deshpande taking his wicket with Ravindra taking the catch. Tewatia just 6 of 11. Once again Mustafizur Rahman taking his wicket with Ravindra's second catch. Umesh Yadav was not out of 10 on 11 deliveries, and Johnson was not out of 5 on 5. 11 extras were considered by CSK bowlers, but just Gujarat Titans managed to crawl 243 for 8 in 20 overs, 63 runs they were shot, which is a huge margin. The net run rate of Gujarat Titans also has taken a hit after this loss. 4 overs, 28 runs, 2 wickets for Deepak Chahar. Excellent bowling. His pace was up, swung the ball both ways. That is an encouraging sign for him as well as CSK. Deshpande, 4 overs, 21 runs, 2 wicket. Excellent to see him bowl with variations as well, with express speed, and knows when to use which variation. That is pretty essential for a fast bowler to survive in T20 format these days. Ravindra Jadeja did a good containing job, 2 overs, 15 runs, no wicket. Darrell Mitchell, 2 overs, 18 runs, 1 wicket. And Pathirana, 4 overs, 29 runs, 1 wicket. So all in all, excellent and a pretty disciplined bowling display by CSK, and Gujarat Titans literally had no answer on the day. So a comprehensive victory, and please tell me how did you like my analysis of this video in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. We'll meet in the next video. Till then everyone, bye.